What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex Costa and today I'm going to show you guys how to go from curly and frizzy hair that's hard to manage to soft, straight, and shiny hair. It is the exact process that I go through to get my hair like this. There is no product in my hair right now. I just got out of the shower and I blow dried it, that's it. But you can see that it's soft, you can see that it's shiny, and it's really easy to style and manage it right now. And my hair is usually wavy with some curls that are pretty stubborn and annoying. So if I could have my hair permanently like this, I would definitely do it. Oh wait, I do, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it as well. Also, if you're new on the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below because we are getting closer and closer. I can almost taste it. We're getting closer to the biggest milestone here on the channel ever, 1 million subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button. It's gonna help me a lot and I really appreciate it. All right, so the process is actually called the Brazilian Blowout. I've done a video on it already, but I wanted to make sure you guys had an updated version now that I've been getting it done for about 1.5 years. I know the name can be a little discouraging because for some reason guys think that it's feminine. So if it helps, we can call it Brazilian Blowout. I don't know if that makes it more masculine for you, but I'll tell you what, it is a simple process and it's like magic. When you run your hands through your hair for the first time after you get this done, you won't even recognize your own hair. I was actually pretty upset that I didn't start doing this earlier. Robert here is the one making this magic happen today. He's been cutting my hair for about 1 year now, and he works at Daniel Alfonso's men's salon in Los Angeles, California. If you guys ever want to treat yourselves, you should definitely go check it out. To get started, we're gonna get a fresh fade. Robert's a black belt on these low skin fades, and I actually have a video where I go in depth on how to get this exact haircut if you want to watch it or take it to your hair guy. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description below so you can go and check it out. After my cut is done, we have to make sure that my hair is completely clean. If your hair is dirty or oily, it won't work as well. So keep that in mind when you go to get it done in your salon or your barbershop. Make sure that they clean your hair perfectly. On my last video, a lot of people asked me if you could do this at home. And I highly suggest that you get it done professionally, all right? I don't mess around when it comes to the health of my hair, and I'm not a pro, you guys are probably not pros, so you know what? I would definitely advise against trying it yourself, just to make sure that you get the best results possible. Now let me tell you what a Brazilian Blowout does to your hair. It will eliminate frizz for you guys who have frizzy hair. It smooths out the waves and the curls, so you guys have straight hair, which is a lot easier to manage. One of my favorite benefits actually that I didn't even know about until I got it done is that it adds a lot of shine and gloss to your hair. Mine can get pretty dry, so it makes my hair look super shiny and healthy. It acts as a heat protectant for you guys who blow dry a lot like I do. And if you have highlights or any other color, it actually helps lock in that color for longer because it creates this protective coat over your hair. So if you guys are thinking about chemically relaxing your hair or using any other type of straightening treatment, I would highly suggest that you try the Brazilian Blowout first because besides straightening your hair, it has so many other benefits. It just makes your hair feel and look much nicer and healthier. Now, I've tried a lot of things in my hair, like chemically relaxing it and like so many things, but nothing makes it feel and look this shiny and healthy and straight. So I'm telling you, this is the best way to go. So after Robert is done applying the product, he will blow dry my hair to basically infuse the product into my hair. And once it's completely dry, he grabs a flat iron and uses that to get my hair completely stick straight. And you can see that he straightens my hair upwards because that actually gives permanent volume to your hair, which is awesome. So yeah, now I kind of look like a crazy man, but don't worry, it's gonna go away. It's time to get my hair washed again and see the final result. And if you get this done, always remember to wash your hair with sulfate-free products because first of all, sulfate is not good for your hair. And second, it works against the Brazilians. So I'd suggest getting the actual brand called Brazilian Blowout. Their products are amazing. They make my hair feel so freaking good and it ensures that your blowout lasts for longer. Mine actually lasts around 3 months usually. And this video is not sponsored or anything, but I do really like the Brazilian Blowout brand, so I'm gonna do a little giveaway on my Instagram. Just follow me there and then comment on my latest picture. I'm gonna pick a couple of you and send you a set of the Brazilian Blowout products. Now, I'm gonna apologize in advance because once you try these products, you're not gonna go back to regular shampoo or conditioner. It really, it spoils you and it makes your hair feel so nice. So go follow me at Alex Costa and just comment on the picture that I posted today or my latest picture, and I'm gonna pick a couple of you to send those products for free. Now that he washed my hair, we're just gonna blow dry it to make sure it looks good, and this is the final result. It's smooth, it's straight, it's silky, and it's so much better than before. If you guys want to know how much it costs, it can vary. It really depends on where you get it. It could be like $80 or $100, but it could also be cheaper depending on where you get it. And if you want it to last as long as possible, follow these tips. Don't dip your head in a pool or in the ocean, because that will definitely make the blowout go away a lot faster. And watch out for sweat, because that will also eat away at the results of the blowout. When I work out, for example, I don't wear hats because they make my head sweat and it kills the whole process. Besides that, maintenance is pretty easy. You can see that it looks really good. It's been about a month since I got my last one. And all you have to do is make sure that you don't use any sulfate on your hair. Like I said, Brazilian Blowout brand works really well. If you guys want to check it out, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa, and then comment on my latest picture so you guys can try to win some products. Also, we're getting closer to 900,000 subscribers. I think we're like a few thousand away, which means you guys know what's next. A million. A million. That's insane. Like, that's my next countdown. So first of all, thank you guys so much. And second, let's do it. Let's get it. 1 million subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.